popped his head out. Oh. Let's see if it's ready. Here, what are you gonna do? Eat me? Ow! It's Nikita's birthday!
Hi.
Oh. By the way, she just got pulled into this, but it is really her birthday.
It is.
Now, we're always hatching these big pythons, but these are almost the smallest pythons on earth. Look at the heads hanging out. So look at this. I'm gonna show you something kind of fun. Now, I know this one is almost all the way out. So here, I'm gonna literally have a baby hatch in your hand. So, you can see it. I can tell by looking at it. Can you see its head?
Yes.
Oh.
You're so beautiful. Oh my God.
Oh, look at that.
Hello.
Look at that.
Welcome to the world.
Is that crazy? So are you living the dream?
I am. Oh my gosh.
Now we're gonna let that hatch in her hand because I think it's gonna come all the way out because it's little. So this is a little children's python. He's like still kind of not ready. There, it's ready.
Oh, there you
It's
go.
ready. It's ready. So this was a big egg, but now you see it's already starting to drain out. It popped its head out. Oh. Let's see if it's ready. Now these ones, it'd be hard, even if they were tangled up, to do anything, but it's 100% ready. Oh, look at that. So these little guys take a lot less time to hatch. And, oh man. Hopefully I don't find one that is actually tangled up, because I don't know. I might have to get glasses to help them. But so far, everybody, looks really good, so there's no 911s. There we go. Looks perfect. And it is not quite ready to come out. So they're just like the big ones, but it's really close. So we're going to let that one sit there. This one here, the umbilical cord wasn't wrapped around that snake at all. This one here looks like it is completely ready. Look at that. Another little baby. I wonder why they call them children's pythons. This one here. Ooh, feisty. So these eggs are so small. But, you know what? Another perfect baby. Ready to come out. Oh, man, I got them all. Look at them. They're all little feisty guys. Here, what are you going to do? Eat me? Ow! Okay, so let me see that one. I think that one's ready to come out. So these little guys actually make great little pets, but they do have to get out of their egg and get eating. And of course, they're so small, you wonder, what do they eat? Well, in the wild, these actually commonly eat geckos and little things like that. But these ones, we're going to have to start them out with mice. So we're going to have to get little tiny mice. An update on the two-headed snake, it is officially eating. I hope you had a fun time at the zoo.
I really did. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Don't forget to tell happy birthday, everybody.
Happy birthday.
Peace out.